Whoa! Check out this cool car. It's super fast, right? But hey, can you guess what this is made of? Let's find out.
Hello, hello, come and see. Funny shapes for you and me. I'm a triangle, yellow and bright. 3 little corners, what a sight!
I'm a circle, round and blue roll. I'm a square, red and neat. I'm a rectangle, long and green. One of the coolest shapes you've seen.
All right, team, it's playtime. Get your creative hands ready. Let's make something awesome together. First, let's build a house. Put the square here and the triangle on top. A perfect little house! Let's add a rectangle for the door and a circle for the window. Look at that! Now, let's build a tree. Rectangle for the trunk, circle for the leaves. Watch this. Poof! It's growing! Now, let's build a car. Rectangle body, 2 circles for wheels, and a square on top. Vroom! Oh, look at that smoke! Keep moving it and snapping pictures to make it go. You want to know how I make them move? It's a little secret called stop motion. I take a picture, tape a tiny bit, and take another picture. When we put all those pictures together, they come to life. Look at our fun! You can build anything with just a few simple shapes. It's all about imagination. If you liked playing with me today, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. See you next time, little creators. Bye-bye!